being somebody who has used Windows 10 in the past, I think I'm finally ready to give my verdict, and here are my top 10 reasons why I hate Windows 10. So, reason number 1, there are no service packs available because apparently this is the last version of Windows, so there's always going to be a Windows 10. Yay. Reason number 2, Windows spies on you by using keyboard tracking and voice recognition using Cortana. So, and oh yeah, and Microsoft says that you cannot disable these things. So, it's getting more like an NSA feel, in my opinion. Reason number 3, Windows forces you to go through these updates, and that can be very annoying for the end user. After all, we try and strive to have no updates at all. And in my case, I actually had my hard drive get corrupted from an update gone wrong. Yeah. Reason number 4, safe mode is useless, pretty much. You have to access it by booting it to the operating system, and that makes it pretty much useless. I mean, yeah, it pretty much defeats the purpose. It usually was a press to F8 from Windows 98 to Windows 7. Now you actually have to go through to the operating systems to like boot into safe mode. So it's useless, and it's hidden behind dozens of steps. Reason number 5, a new profile takes 300 megabytes without any information from the user. So when they advertise a huge 32 gig hard drive, for those budget laptops out there, in the case of me, because my computers are always suffering problems, that can be pretty annoying. Reason number 6, there is no more Windows Media Player in Windows 10. It was scrapped, it's gone, and it was replaced with some crappy application. I don't remember the name, but now, yeah, it's gone. And they promise that if you have a Windows Media Player that they'll give you some free DVD player. But is that worth it? No. Reason number 7, the tile layout, in my opinion, is awful. It's counterintuitive when using a PC. So, it's ugly. I just like the more classy feel of Windows, Windows 7. Yeah. Reason number 8, it's still extremely buggy. Yeah, there are still bugs in Windows 10. It's not immune, and every OS still has bugs. Like, the final release will eventually, not have any bugs, but when you're advertising on a computer, oh, upgrade now! Yeah, if you still have bugs and it's not finished, don't do that, please. Number 9, they replaced Internet Explorer with Microsoft Edge, which is still not finished. There's still bugs everywhere, along with the entire operating system. And finally, number 10, they took away the desktop feel, with things like an app store and actual apps that come with the computer, and you cannot uninstall them if you don't like them. Things like OneDrive. OneDrive's pretty much useless, and OneNote, it doesn't really offer like spelling checks, which is really annoying. And for a desktop to have a mobile feel, that kind of ruins the purpose. I mean, we all have smartphones and tablets that we can use for mobility anyway. So yeah, that was pretty much my top 10 reasons why I hate Windows 10. And I mean, I'm going to give it some light here. At least the upgrade is free, but I really would want to update to this, and I would only use this if I really had to. And yeah, I think I can add this to the list of OSs I hate. And I try not to be biased being a tech reviewer on YouTube, but yeah, I feel tempted to switch to a Mac after this. But that's pretty much the video. If you did like it, please leave a like. Thanks for watching, and this has been Vasquez, signing out.